Good day, guys. Welcome to the Big Blue Bandito channel. Today I'm in the garage, and this is the first episode after the mass clear out of the fleet. So quick update on those rigs. 2 went to salvage, and better prices for those. 2 went to auction, and a little bit lower results than I would have liked, but hey, somebody's getting a good deal on a clean looking truck. So those have been dispersed. So we're back on the camera, back in the garage, and trying to reinvent the wheel here, seeing what we're going to focus on. And today it's Big Blue Bandito, and I'll show you what's materialized there. We've got the 2 pieces of the floor out. The transmission, the 4L60E, did get swapped in, so that was excellent. I had a shop here in town agree to kind of do a labor only job. And so I brought that transmission down, and it's really nice. They only took about a day to get that done. So I've been doing little short trips and seems to be shifting all right. Well, I don't know if I've actually brought you into the cab here to see what has unfolded and the panels we're working on, but this is the swapped in 4L60E. It's looking pretty good. I cleaned up all the inside edge of all the grain dust and soil and whatever else was in there. Just wire brushed that. And I don't think I'm going to paint the whole floor at this time. I'm just not ready to pull out the seat and kind of turn this into a bigger project. But for now, I just wanted to do these 2 panels, get the floor shifter reconnected to the linkage off the transmission, and get back to driving this beast. So I think that's what we're doing today. We'll go grab the panel and see if we can get this thing, the first one in, and then go grab the second one and paint that one up today. So let's hope we get some longevity out of that rig here to come, because we need to get that camper unit on the back of that thing. So what I've been working on now is kind of freshening up some pieces. We're gonna get some trim clad black, and I've kind of prepped this piece, wire wheeled it, and cleaned it up here, ready for paint. Now, let's flip the camera around. I get a little bit creative on my homemade paint booth. I'll give you a little insight on that one. All right, when it rains, it pours. Trucks breaking down, daily drivers breaking down, water pumps and all this stuff need to be replaced. So the fleet's up and running, and of course, to piggyback that, household items occurred. So I've got a new washer and dryer. And I got thinking, I'm like, I think I could use this box. So took out a side or 2, the top or bottom, and taped her up to get the overspray there. Kind of rigged up a homemade little hanger. We'll see how this turns out. Let's set up and get spraying. I haven't enjoyed the old spray cans for a while, so I don't know. I'm not really being too picky. I kind of wired that, got the surface rust off. Yeah, this isn't a show truck, so I just want it to kind of feel a little bit more clean, and let's see what it turns out. I'll set up a tripod and we'll get going here. We're going gloss black, I guess. A bit more light coming in here. So that looks pretty darn good. Okay, you might be asking, what do I have going on here? Let me explain my craziness. All these bolts were from the two pieces on the floor cowl panels or floor pans, whatever. Soaked them in vinegar overnight, and that loosened up quite a bit of surface rust, cleaned them up nicely, and then I thought, I'll just drill some, I don't know what that is, 3/8 holes, enough to kind of thread them into the softwood a little bit, and they're rigid. So I'm going to wire brush these bolt heads. You can see some of them are worse than others. Like for example, these two are like probably were on the vertical, not in the wet rusty floor. So yeah, let's clean these up, and then I think I'm gonna just paint them black. So we'll throw this in the floor of the old homemade paint booth and give them a shot of trim clad, and try not to nick them as I install them on back in the truck. So let's get busy. Shit. Paging the good doctor for a panel install. I'm right here. Don't scratch the fresh paint, man. Woo! Look at that. Looky what we got here. Yeah. All right. That's looking good. It's looking good. Hors d'oeuvres, anyone? Today we have hex bolt in gloss. All right, let's see how we can do here. Easy, big guy, easy. Loosey goosey, okay. Let's get some over here. Oh, shoot. Did that weather stripping seat properly? No, it did not. The loose weather stripping has lifted out of the building. Get that guy in there. There we go. That's better. That's a better. Let's put... Man, I wish I painted the whole dang floor. Oh well, it's good for now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 more to go. 2 more to go. Looking good, looking good. There we go. We'll finish today's episode with one panel completely installed. She's looking pretty good. That's all for now, folks. Thanks.